Hello everyone, Sid here back again with another video. In this video, we are storing form data inside of the CSV format. So let's start it. So I have this form, you can check here, and here we have the five fields, which is the first is name, email, subject, mobile number and message. Okay, so once we are if we are submit data inside of this form, we will get in CSV format. Okay, so how I'm going to show you a realistic example. So let's start. So I'm going to put here my name, which is Siddharth Shukla, and email ID SIDDHARTHSHUKLA and 089@gmail.com. This is my email ID and enter subject. So basically this is for testing purpose. So I'm going to put here testing, and if you want my mobile number, this is wrong mobile number. So I'm going to put here enter message. This is a test message. So data is stored. Let's check this is stored or not. Look here, we got the details. Siddharth Shukla, email ID this one, and testing something, we get all result here. Okay, so inside of the my terminal, now I'm going to use here inside of the terminal, project name is here. I'm going to create new folder inside of the my directory, which is stdocs. Here I'm going to create user sign up. Okay, I'm going to hit user sign up. Now inside of the user sign up, I'm going to create one file using command touch index.php. Now I am going to open my folder with this command. Once this is open, then what we need to do here, leave it. Okay, so here I'm going to use normal HTML for right now. Okay, for the HTML I'm going to create first HTML form, then we will start the work. Okay, so here I am going to use bootstrap 4. Okay, I'm going to hit in URL bootstrap form. Okay, once this is open, then click on this link. Once this is open, click on get started, and here we have this file. So I'm going to copy first of all, then let me check. Yes, this is fine. Again, you can copy from this URL, this one. Okay, we have jQuery, we have the propermin.js, and we have bootstrap. Okay, I'm going to put all of these right now. Okay, once this is done, then what we need to do here, I'm going to create form. Okay, here you can search form. Here we have some option is there. Okay, look at here. Okay, so if you want, you can select from here. Okay, I don't want to waste time to show you how to create form something, that's why. Okay, I'm going to use this one, this form. Okay, I'm going to copy and paste here. We have field right now, enter name. Okay, so here type is text. Okay, name we don't need right now, leave it. This one we need enter name. Okay, let me check again. We don't need this one. We have name, and we need multiple forms, multiple things is here. I forget, 1 second. We can use this form inside of the class container. Okay, inside the container, and inside the container we can use here h2 line center user sign up. Okay, br is break. Okay, and here I'm going to use div class call t6. Here I'm going to use form, and here I want to use action is same page I don't want to action use here. Just put on method. Inside of the method I'm going to use post. Now what we have name, and here we need enter email. Okay, type you can select from here email, leave it placeholder email, enter basically enter email, and here we required name also. Name is email. Inside of the name we require name, we have name email. Okay, now we need remove this one, name email, enter mobile text, enter mobile. Okay, here I want subject, enter subject. Okay, now one field is more required, which is text area, and here we need to use one class from control name is message. Sorry, I have written here wrong word, which is enter. Okay, so now let's check again. We have sorry, message is correct. Remove this one. We have message, we have subject, we have mobile, we have email, and we have name. Okay, so now this is fine. Let's check again. This is working fine, and once this is fine, then I need to go inside of the URL, go to search user sign up. Just click on this. Now this is looking fine. Look again. So let me check again, because this div we need some style. Okay, I want this form basically inside in centers. Then what we need to do, margin 0. Okay, margin 0. Here use auto float none. Let me check again. Where is my browser? Now you can check this inside of the center, this form in center. Then what we need to do, now we need to write PHP part. So I am going top first. I am going to start here PHP. Now what we need to do here, we need to create first variable. Okay, so blank variable basically. Okay, this is the index file. I'm going to put index file. Okay, now we using PHP, that's why we're getting this here. Now I'm going to select PHP. Okay, so once this is done, then I'm going to here and I'm going to put here first variable is blank. Okay, so then we need to use name, email, mobile, subject, now here we are going to create one functions for checking the string whatever we pass using function. Now we have function. Okay, function. Now we have function, and now once the function we have, then I'm going to create the function name, clean text. Okay, inside of clean text I'm going to put here a string. Okay, here I'm going to put a string, and this string basically we will use as a string like this string. Let me do that. This is variable, and here I am going to frame this string. Okay, this string I'm going to frame. Now here again slash third one is the HTML special character. Okay, HTML special characters, and then here return a string. So once I have written here, then I am going to check if is set inside of the bracket dollar underscore post here submit. Okay, if empty dollar underscore post let me remove this one, dollar underscore post. Then here inside of the dollar underscore post I'm going to put name. Okay, this is something wrong maybe. Let me check again. We have is set, we are checking the post is submit, and if empty dollar underscore post, sorry, you don't need to use this bracket. Okay, so now we have something. If empty is post, then we will throw some error. Okay, error equal to equal to, I'm going to use inside of the bracket paragraph. Here I'm going to use label, and inside the label I'm going to use class equal to text danger. Okay, now here I'm going to put some text inside of the label. Please enter your name. Okay, this text I want, please enter your name. Okay, so after that let's check here, this is done. Okay, let me check. We have written if submit is equal to this one, then we are returning this one. If post is equal to name, then sorry, if empty is name basically, then we are returning error. Okay, else part is we will write here name, then we'll call method which is clean text, and we pass a string from there. Okay, suppose we have the method this one and we are passing from there, we can pass something like that. Okay, so now once I pass the name, then what we do, we will check from here if basically we'll check this is a text or not something. Okay, so here we can check pre match. Okay, pre match basically, and inside the bracket we need to write something. Let's check how. This is some special character which is slash this one, and from small to caps alphabet character, small to caps alphabet character, and capital to capital alphabet character, and give some space, then again here star dollar slash. Okay, once this is, then we will pass name. Okay, then what we need to do here, inside of the pre-match we need to throw error. Okay, kind of this one I'm going to copy paste. We can pass only, 1 second, here we can pass only later, only letters and white space allowed, space allowed. Okay, we have written here, then I'm going to below, then 1 second, let me check. We are using this one, this condition is done. Okay, then we need for the email, I'm going to copy and paste, same for, I'm going to put email, please enter your email. If user put blank email, okay, then we will particularly enter your email. And for the checking purpose here, name, and here is email basically. Okay, post is email, then here this is important to filter basically email. Okay, then I need to put here filter where something, filter where this one, this filter where. Okay, this filter where basically check email ID validation. I'm going to put here email, okay, comma filter, filter validate, comma email. This is a predefined function in PHP. Okay, so this is done. Okay, this once this done, then we will print invalid email something. Okay, invalid email, please enter valid email. Okay, will throw this error. So then again we need to subject. Here we need for the subject. Okay, please enter subject. Okay, here also we need subject. This for the pre-match for the subject, and for the subject is correct, maybe. Yes, subject is done. Again this for the subject mobile. Now last one is message. Subject message. Okay, so now message is also done. This is done. Then what we need to do here, this is fine. Okay, mobile number also is fine. Then what we need to do here, I am going to inside of the, after this else condition, dollar error equal to blank, then file open. Okay, let me remove this one, file open. Okay, I'm going to put, this is my variable I'm going to create here, and after that f open I'm going to put here. Okay, so once I clicked on this one, then I'm going to basically create any files, which is I'm going to put name is contact underscore data. Okay, contact underscore data dot CSV. Okay, and after that I'm going to put here. Okay, so once we have done this one, put the semicolon in last. Okay, hit enter, and here I am going to create no rows. Okay, colon sorry, no rows equal to, this is a variable I am going to count here. This is a predefined function in PHP, and inside of the count I have created one file. This is also function, and inside of the file I am going to put this code, which is this file name contact dot underscore data CSV. Okay, we have this one, and put in after that semicolon. Okay, once we have done, then I am going to put if condition, and here I am going to count number of rows is greater than 1. Okay, once this is greater than 1, then we going to create a new variable number rows. Okay, so here put number rows. Okay, so once number rows equal to number rows -1, and we are putting here 1 plus. Okay, once we have done, then here I am going to put here form underscore data equal to, I'm going to put in array. Okay, so form underscore data. Once we have submit that, then we need to put inside of the array, which is serial number first. Okay, then here number rows, and here array. Then I'm going to put here, let me check that, which is name, email, subject, mobile, message. Email, name is here, number of rows, which is serial number basically, and put this one. Okay, so we have this data. Okay, now once we have added in array format, okay, then I am going to here f put CSV inside of the bracket dollar, we have created file open, and here we have form data. Okay, then put in last semicolon, then dollar error equal to, we going to put label class, here is text dash success. Okay, success, and here data store. Okay, then label. Okay, so once we have created data store and label, we have enter, and then put in last semicolon. Okay, so this is error basically. Then what we need to do here, we need to put I don't want to write again and again, so I have added name blank 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 blank, everything is blank. Let me check this is working or not. Let me enter that. Hello, I am going to put Manoj at the rate, sorry, Manoj at the rate mail.com, and Manoj info, enter mobile number, I'm going to put random mobile number, and here is message text. Let me check is data store. Let me check CSV format. Yes, we have added Manoj data. Okay, so this is working perfectly, and if you have any doubt related to this video, please put your comment inside of description area, comment area, and also please subscribe my channel. And if you want any particular programming language, scripting language, any kind of material, just put inside of your comment. I will definitely make another video. Thank you for watching this video.